Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some curry pork. And yes, you heard me right. I said curry pork. So I have my pork that I've washed and cleaned. And I have some curry, some Sazon Classico All-purpose seasoning, some Adobo All-purpose seasoning, and some pimento seed that I will crush. I have here some potato and some carrots, some onions, ginger, scotch bonnet, garlic, crushed pimento, and scallion. So I'm going to go ahead and season my pork, and all these ingredients that I just show you will be listed in the description box below. So I am adding all the seasoning to the pork except for the potatoes and the carrots. Then I will rub the pork along with the seasoning together so that the seasoning can be evenly distributed. And then I will cover it and leave it in the refrigerator to marinate for 3 hours. Then I will start the cooking process. So my pork has been marinating for 3 hours, so I'm removing the cover. And look at my pork. Look how seasoned it is. And I will now set a pot on the stove in which I'm going to add some oil. And then to the oil, I will add some curry before I add the meat. As you can see, the color of the curry has changed. So I'm going to go ahead and add my pork to this pot. Then I'm going to give it a proper stir so that the pork can get the color from the curry. So I am adding some boiling water to the pork, and I am going to give it a stir, and then I will cover the pot and leave it to cook. And I will continuously add water to the pork until it's cooked tender. My pork is almost cooked, so I'm going to add my carrots and potatoes to the pot, and I'm going to add a little more water, and I'm going to give it a taste and to see if I need any salt, and I will be adding some salt if I need to. So there you have it. My curry pork is done. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.